This is indeed a defining moment in the history of mankind. In the last 100 years, the whole planet Earth has never witnessed such a thing that has happened to the people of the planet. We have seen the most powerful and rich people basically made redundant. The rulers and governors, sometimes powerless, unable to decide, unable to control things. Chaos and confusion right around the people of the planet. Uncertainties rapidly moving to every heart and the soul of individuals of the planet Earth. In this defining moment, definitely there is going to be a new world order. And to surge ahead in the new world order, there are three stages that every one of us need to understand. The first stage is the survival stage. Second stage is the sustainability stage. Third is surging ahead. What I call the three S's. Every human being, every individual, every family, every society, every country on the planet Earth need to survive this period. We need to survive. In order to survive this period, you need to come up with new ideas, new innovations, new creativity, new solutions. Having understood the issues and challenges that we have faced in the last 5 months, from December up to now, fathom the issues and the problems, and then come up with innovative solutions that can have an impact on not only one individual but masses of people. Second stage is sustainability. To sustain yourself for a period longer than short period. And in order to sustain yourself, you need multiple stakeholder engagement. An individual cannot operate by himself. A family cannot operate by himself. A society cannot operate by himself. The country cannot operate by himself. There has to be a greater collaboration, the partnership, the union. Everybody, every situation has to be highly synchronized, majestically harmonized, and precisely timed. For this, you need significant collaboration of significant partners and stakeholders to sustainable in this stage. Third and the final stage is the surging ahead. In this newly defined the world order, in order to surge ahead, you need to understand, fathom the new opportunities, understand the requirement of the planet Earth, understand the requirement of every individual. Massing of enormous wealth to a small group of people, unprecedented wealth accumulation to a small group of people is what the order of the new world. The new world order is the equal stakeholders, equal opportunities to everybody, to the young and the old, the men and women, as critical stakeholders, beneficiaries. There is no way that certain small group of people trying to control things for the benefit of others. Each individual in the planet Earth is an equal stakeholder. The gap between the rich and the poor has to be reduced. The benefits of development has to seep across to everybody fairly and squarely. And that's the new world order. And therefore the new dynamics of the new world order is new products and services that will meet every individual and that can reach the scalability to reach the benefit to every individual need. And that's the new world order. And there's plenty of opportunities for not to a small group of people but to all to surge ahead in this new world order.